How would the world be if every wish could be fulfilled? Desseo wants to become the worldwide altruism network. It's not just the umpteenth social network. It will focus on wishes. Any user will be able to post their wishes and the community will help fulfill them. The community lights stars and shares the wish to increase its value and visibility. Desseo is also a tool that puts in contact many social parts. In addition, it's a powerful marketing instrument for companies. For example, what would you change in the world around you? Even small actions can make a great difference and make people happy. Desseo is also an exciting game. People, institutions, companies, and any other kind of organizations can climb the rankings of the most selfless. All the parts will gain a great return in terms of visibility and popularity. Now, we need your support to complete the platform and start the first marketing campaign to promote it. We know we are creating something important that can change the world and make it a better place. Join us and become the change.